If you truly want to shift your reality, then you must become really conscious about what you are thinking. Your thoughts are determining your destiny. Yes, you heard it right, but your unfocused thoughts cannot do anything with your manifestation. Because everyone who are living in this world right now has some kind of thought in their head, but 97% of that population are not able to manifest their desired result. The main reason behind this is that they cannot focus their thoughts on a particular direction. Their mind will not allow them to do that because human mind needs pleasure all the time. So most of them are stuck in this trap of their own mind, and they cannot manifest their desired outcome in this 3D reality. But this 3% of the population, they really knows what they want. So they have the courage to say no to all this unwanted thoughts that will not help them to achieve what they want. And have you noticed any difference between this two? Of course, right? 97% of people are failed in controlling their thoughts, and the 3% are willing to sacrifice anything to achieve their goals. And the secret of this two category of people are those 97% of the population. They cannot maintain a particular thought as their dominant thought. Their thoughts are scattered, and it goes where it gets pleasure, so their dominant thought is not to achieve their goals. And 3% of the population, they are the real manifestors, because they are willing to sacrifice any pleasures, or they can easily say no to anything that are not in alignment with their goals. So when they are living like this, automatically their dominant thought will be that particular outcome that they want to manifest, and this 3% of the population are making all that miracles happen. This 3% are making all the money, fame, everything, literally everything that they want in this lifetime. As I said above, the main reason is that they are constantly vibrating in that new frequency, which means their dominant thought is of that specific outcome that they want to manifest. When this happens, the universe doesn't have any other option but to manifest. That's why only the 3% of the population are becoming super successful. So now I hope you understood the real secret to manifest miracles. If you can dedicate your life on something, and if you can sacrifice anything for that particular goal, and if you make that particular outcome as your dominant thought pattern, anything, literally anything that you want will manifest. That's how every technology's convenience, everything, literally everything has manifested in this world right now. Also understand, thinking and feeling is not enough, because the 3D is made up of action. So when you do the right thinking, the action steps will automatically come to your mind. When this happens, you have to execute that action step. Always remember, without action, it is no that easy to manifest, and don't look at the results. If you are doing that, you are killing your own motivation. Always believe in that vision that you are holding in your mind, and persist until that desired vision manifests in your 3D reality. Okay, now let's see how to change your dominant thought. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza, mental rehearsal is one of these great ideas in neuroscience where you can actually install circuits in your brain, right? So everybody has done this. Musicians do it. They're playing a song in their mind all the time. Athletes do it. They're always going over their moves. Dancers do it. Actors do it. So many people rehearse mentally what they're about to do. And when they do that, they actually prime their brain. They actually can change their brain and change their body just by thought alone. So then, if you're going to prime your brain for a new behavior, whether you're the CEO of a company, whether you're a parent, whether you're learning something, the more you rehearse it mentally, the more you prime your brain and body for the act. So you could actually practice rehearsing how you're going to change in your life. And if you keep doing it enough times, your behaviors will match your intentions automatically because you have the mind installed to do it. What would love do today? And if you closed your eyes and you rehearsed a scene, the act of mental rehearsal, just imagining something. The brain, when it's present, doesn't know the difference between what the person is imagining in the real life experience, and the brain is changing to look like the event has occurred. Keep installing that hardware, and all of a sudden it'll become a software program, and you might actually start acting like a happy person. No magic there either. You primed the brain for that behavior. You installed it. This is the hard part for most people. Can you teach your body emotionally what the future will feel like before it happens? That means you're not waiting for your wealth to feel abundant. Okay, that's what Dr. Joe Dispenza's way of changing your dominant thought. Here I'm concluding this video. See you on next video. Thank you.